Reminiscent of long hot summer afternoons and traditional English gardens, Lady Leticia's dream carousel is a beautiful reminder of the splendour and captivation of the Old English bandstand. Whilst this traditional piece of history is slowly disappearing, here at Black Country Metalworks we are proud to present our own tribute to this fascinating piece of English heritage. Its shaped and fluted columns have been crafted in detailed aluminium, whilst the skirts, scrolled panels and delicately worked frieze have been made in wrought iron. The delightful carousel top has been crafted using individual panels of fabricated steel, worked and shaped to form the iconic shape of the much-loved carousel. Finished in an antique cream, this bandstand would make a delightful and captivating addition to any home. To appreciate this pavilion in its full skirted glory, we recommend seating it on its own raised platform, where it can continue to weave its magic and mystery for years to come.